Oh my god, he's taking a bath. I wonder if he knows that his tub is leaking. Oh, let's be quick. Quick, quick, quick. I heard about this one. Are you seriously going to
All right.
We have some fans. Big fans. Thank you. All right. Concerto. Master Ford. Woo! There you go. Oh, that fancy one. I like this one. There we go. This has like a with the bones. Oh, I love that. I feel like you might have a new career as a musician. And I feel like if you can learn this easy, I feel like so can Dale. So we should start a band. Guys, if Chip and Dale were to start a band, what do you think they'd be called? But it has to be like a Haunted Mansion themed.
Oh boy, you're making us think this early in
Yeah.
the morning.
The Dale Gracie. No.
Oh, well,
Oh.
that's not exactly right, but it's close.
We could get there.
And he's Chip anyway.
He is.
You should have to
He's
go.
just a chip off
but
the old
I
block.
had to think Chip and Dale because
Exactly.
of both of them.
Right, because we need them both. So we want both
The
to be
Chip and Dale
included.
Gracie.
Exactly. I know you have an idea. Okay. One word. Over. Two.
Chip.
Oh, Chip.
Chip is one word.
Chip is one word. Yeah, I'd hope Chip was one word. It's one syllable too, which is always good. Two. No. Your nose. Two. Nose.
Throw.
Dale is all the way over there. But Dale is a red nose. Dale number 2. Oh, Chip, you're Dale number 1. No, Chip number 1 and Dale number 2. Duh! Oh my god, it's like the Mickey and Donald feud. But we all know Chip is the better chipmunk.
Is he a better chipmunk?
I didn't say that. I don't go here. Nope.
Where
I love
is
them both
Dale
equally.
anyway?
Dale is actually roaming around outside, I think visiting some friends outside of the graveyard, which is actually where we're about to head. I know. We just wanted to warm up. I think Dale might head through here pretty soon to warm
Yes,
up on
that
his
was
music
very,
festival.
very
Right?
exciting.
Did you guys enjoy our performance
We
though?
did.
Great concerto?
Oh,
He's clearly been
spectacular.
practicing.
Very, very good.
I know.
Very talented. You have a whole new career, I think.
He is a
Chip.
monk of many talents.
Yes, a monk of many talents indeed.
He can eat all the acorns and play all the music. There isn't an instrument he can't figure out. We're incredibly proud of him.
We actually did witness this, so you're telling the truth.
Right? Exactly. So you guys
thank
are
you.
seeing
Thank you
greatness
very
in the
much,
flesh. All right, Chip, let's go say hi to some of our other friends in line. Let's go. Oh, you blend right in. You look like you could be part of the family, huh? You got your Saturday best on. Thank you guys for watching our concert.